Hey everyone, we're back at her. We're going to try to film a little bit of it as we can. Right now I got everything stripped down enough. I'm just gonna take it apart. I got these two injectors, they're stuck bad. This cylinder is solid full of water. So the valve's open in that one. I'm guessing these ones also. So I got them sprayed down. I got them turned, but of course they've loosened up. So save me breaking them off. Just pull the head, do it right. I'm a little concerned because there's absolutely no water, pressstone or anything. And I mean, I like to think that they did drain it, but I don't think they did. I like to think they did, but I want to take the head off, check everything out, make sure the block's not broke. That's my biggest concern. I want to go through all the aggravation and then the blocks broke. Oh, see, that's not that bad. Oh wow! Oh, holy gosh! Look at all the sticks in there. Definitely had her through the woods a little bit. Gross. I've seen them before with their whole rocker assembly just all rusted to pieces. So gets me, I wouldn't say excited, but doesn't make me sick to my stomach. That's cool. So yeah. There's the sticks in here. It's the worst thing about that little assembly on top of the engine that's just sitting in there. Must be a little better way maybe to keep it. But anyhow, so we're making progress here. I got the water pump off. The water pump was basically brand new. Beautiful water pump. Had a one-wire alternator on it. That's going on my backhoe. If we do get this one going, then we're going to put the right alternator on it. Find a wiring harness, wire it all up. But that is a brand new water pump. So that's cool. A little chip in the pulley. Belts look new also. So yeah. Now, just to save the time and aggravation, it's not worth messing around for a couple $100 gasket kit. Might as well just do it and get it over with. Well, so far, I'm not minding that. That's what I was worried about. I've seen them before and they're all rusted here, and it's a pain trying to clean that all up. I've done them before. So, yeah. Don't see anything obvious. Huh. Yeah, cool. So, throw nuts all in here. I'll have to get a whole new kit for it anyways. Gasket kit. So, I just like to get it out, get the cylinders cleaned out, and then start soaking it. And just go from there. That's all I want to do. So, it definitely was coming in the exhaust. The muffler was solid full of water. So, yeah. Happy, happy, joy, joy. I'm still trying to figure out. So I guess these don't really have a priority valve. They don't need one. Well, they don't. There's nothing really like a low pressure side on the hydraulic. So it just comes off the pump and through your steering motor, and that's it. Now the fancier ones must have one because they have like a electric hydraulic engagement in your four-wheel drive and stuff. So this one's just bare bones. So that's kind of cool. Simple is nice at times. Yeah, I just cover over the ejector pump, try to keep some of the dirt out of it. Everything had fuel in it. Injectors still had some fuel in them. So they're pretty grimy. They're gross, but haven't broke any anyhow. So that won't look too bad. There's a couple here that's pretty gross, but they'll have to be rebuilt anyways, I'm guessing. Yeah, anyhow, we'll split some bolts out of her and put a pry bar on her, and I'll get Brianna to film. We lift the head off it and everybody get to see the surprise under it. So here we go. Alright, now we got the bolts. Everything out of the rack here. So, pull her out. Oh, hard to do with one hand. Not impossible, but hard to do with one hand. There she goes. push rods. Surprising, they actually got oil on them. It was pretty sad. Like, there was an unbelievable amount of water in it. It's just best to pull her, clean it out, flush it out good. Everything should be all clean before I put it back together anyways. She's all been apart before, obviously. Some looks like it's done pretty good, and other stuff a little shady looking. But that's what you get. Alright, well, we gotta grab some sockets and the impact, and we're gonna zip them all off. And then we'll let you see the action. Yeah, ain't this exciting? So here we go. We took the impact and zipped off all the bolts. Well, I guess we can get that one today. I lied to you. See one anyways. This is the easy part. I've got to loosen it up, and then the water's starting to push up out of it. These ones are all a little shorter. They'll be all cleaned anyway, so just sort them out. All kinds of fun. Okay. Let's just give it a little pry. Just a little bit, break that gasket. Oh, what have I got to pry on there in the back? Oh, I don't like to do that too much. Might have to let you sit you down, and then we'll see if we can break it free first, I guess. Now, I'd pull all those little bolts out. I guess I didn't think they went down in there that far, but they did. They were down in the block, so now she's free. Oh my gosh, that mess. Lots of water in there. Lots of water. So, I'm going to get Brianna to come out, and she's going to give us a hand here. She can film it, and I'll pick it up off there, and you can get a kind of a look at what's down in there. It's not going to be pretty. Ready? Mm-hmm. All right. Well, let's see what she looks like. This is a moment of truth, I guess. Hard to get it lifted up straight. Don't want to come too easy. She's coming up. Okay, pause it. My goodness. He's heavy. He's a heavy old girl. Okay. Wait. There we go. Okay. That mess. Move that hammer out of the way. Set this right here. Ah, that's good right there. All right. That's good right there. Look at this. Well, that's all the water. And mud. For whatever reason. Just don't hit that. All right. Never goes too awful easy, but it could be worse. All right, now this actually, well, it's not awesome by any means, but it's not that bad. This cylinder here is the worst one. Got quite a ridge on there, but get some fine emery cloth, clean it up a little bit, hone it some, and then you know, just enough to clean it, and then load the spray to her. She should come out of it. There's lots of like, looks like mud. I don't know how mud got into it, but I don't know. Oh no, she's done. There's the liner, broken liner. Yeah. Well, that engine doesn't any good. Huh. That sucks. But at least we know. Alright, now we can deal with that issue. We'll talk at you later.